What if I told you there's a secret to the law of attraction that works faster than anything you've tried before? No waiting, no endless hoping, just real, instant results. Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. Most people misunderstand how the law of attraction actually works. They think it's just about positive thinking or wishing for what they want, but that's only scratching the surface. The truth is, there's a missing piece that separates those who effortlessly manifest their dreams from those who feel stuck and frustrated. And today, I'm going to reveal it to you. By the end of this video, you'll have 7 simple yet powerful steps that will completely transform how you use the law of attraction. These aren't vague ideas. They're practical secrets you can start using immediately to attract wealth, happiness, and success into your life. So, if you've ever felt like the law of attraction doesn't work for you, this video will change that. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could unlock the life you've always wanted. Are you ready? Let's begin. Your mind is like a magnet, constantly attracting experiences, opportunities, and outcomes that match the energy of your thoughts. Whatever you focus on, whether it's success, abundance, or even fear and scarcity, you're pulling more of that into your life. Think about it. How often do you catch yourself dwelling on what could go wrong instead of imagining what could go right? That's not just a habit. It's the signal you're sending out to the universe. Imagine tuning a radio. If you're on the frequency of abundance, you'll attract wealth, opportunities, and success. But if you're stuck on the frequency of worry or doubt, you'll only attract more of the same. The good news? You can change the station at any moment. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts. Every time a negative or limiting belief pops into your mind, challenge it. Replace it with something empowering, like I am capable of success or I attract opportunities with ease. The key is consistency. Every thought you hold shapes your reality, so begin choosing thoughts that align with the life you want to create. What are you magnetizing right now? If it's not what you desire, it's time to shift your focus and change the signal. The universe is always responding. Make sure you're sending out the right message. The real power of the law of attraction isn't just in your thoughts, it's in the emotions behind them. Emotion is the missing ingredient that most people overlook, yet it's what gives your thoughts energy and magnetism. You can't just think about your dream life, you have to feel it. Imagine this. You want to manifest your dream home. It's not enough to picture it in your mind. You need to feel the joy of walking through the front door, the comfort of relaxing in your living room, the pride of knowing it's yours. That feeling is what connects your desire to reality. Here's why this works. Emotions amplify your energy. When you feel excited, grateful, or inspired, you're vibrating at a higher frequency, which attracts more positive experiences into your life. On the other hand, if you're trying to manifest from a place of fear, doubt, or frustration, you're unintentionally pushing what you want further away. The universe doesn't respond to what you say you want. It responds to how you feel about it. So, how can you start tapping into this power? Take a few minutes each day to visualize your goals, but don't just see them. Immerse yourself in the emotions they bring. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, the pride as if it's already yours. The stronger the emotion, the stronger the attraction. This is the secret to making the law of attraction work instantly, because when your emotions align with your desires, you're no longer wishing for a better life. You're living it energetically before it even arrives. No matter how much you try to manifest, if you're holding on to limiting beliefs, they act like invisible blocks, stopping you from receiving what you desire. These beliefs often come from past experiences, things you've been told, or even fear of failure. Think about it. Have you ever caught yourself saying, "I'm not good enough"? "Money is hard to come by," or "Success isn't meant for people like me"? These thoughts may feel small, but they carry immense power, creating walls between you and your goals. The first step to clearing these blocks is identifying them. Start by asking yourself, what do I truly believe about money, success, or happiness? Write it all down, and don't hold back. Once you see those beliefs on paper, you'll realize how much they've been holding you back. But here's the good news. Beliefs are just thoughts you've repeated so many times that they feel like truth. And just like you created them, you can replace them. Take each limiting belief and turn it into an empowering one. If you've been telling yourself, "I'll never be wealthy," change it to, I am open to limitless opportunities for wealth. The key is to not only rewrite these beliefs, but to believe them. Say them aloud daily, feel them in your heart, and act as if they're already true. Clearing these mental blocks is like removing a dam from a river. Once it's gone, abundance can flow freely into your life. The universe is ready to deliver, but first, you must create space to receive. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for unlocking abundance, yet it's often overlooked because it feels too simple. But here's the truth. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your energy. Gratitude tells the universe, I already have enough, and I'm ready for more. It's like sending a signal that you're open to receiving, and the universe responds by giving you more reasons to feel grateful. Think of it this way. When someone gives you a gift and you show genuine appreciation, they're excited to give you even more. The universe works the same way. But too often, we get stuck focusing on what's missing or what's wrong, and that energy blocks the flow of abundance. Gratitude flips the script. It changes your mindset from lack to abundance. And when you focus on abundance, that's exactly what you attract. To make this work, start a simple gratitude practice. Each night, write down 5 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. It could be the sunshine, a kind word from a stranger, or even the breath you're taking right now. As you do this, don't just list the words. Feel the gratitude. Let it wash over you like a wave, filling you with warmth and joy. The more you practice gratitude, the more natural it becomes, and soon you'll notice your life shifting. Doors will open, opportunities will appear, and you'll realize that gratitude isn't just a nice idea. It's the foundation of true abundance. Thinking positively is important, but it's not enough to create real change. The truth is, action inspired by your desires is what turns your dreams into reality. Manifestation isn't magic. It's a partnership between you and the universe. You can visualize, affirm, and feel your goals, but if you're not taking action that aligns with them, you're leaving your potential untapped. The law of attraction doesn't work without movement. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Here's how it works. When you align your actions with your vision, you show the universe that you're serious about what you want. Let's say you're dreaming of financial freedom. Thinking about it and visualizing success is a great start. But the real power comes when you take steps like learning new skills, creating a plan, or exploring opportunities. Even small actions create momentum, and that momentum attracts more opportunities, more connections, and more resources. The key is to take inspired action, action that feels right and aligned with your goals. It doesn't have to be perfect or huge, but it does need to come from a place of belief and intention. Ask yourself every day, what's one thing I can do today to move closer to my dream? Then, do it. The beauty of inspired action is that it not only brings you closer to your goals, but also builds your confidence. Each step reinforces your belief that what you want is possible, and before you know it, you'll find yourself living the life you once only imagined. The energy around you has a profound impact on what you attract. If you surround yourself with negativity, whether it's from people, environments, or even your own habits, you'll find it much harder to manifest the life you desire. High vibrations, on the other hand, elevate your energy, making it easier to align with abundance, joy, and success. Think about the people in your life. Are they encouraging, positive, and supportive, or are they constantly complaining and dragging you down? The truth is, you become like the energy you spend the most time around. To raise your vibrations, start by auditing your environment. Pay attention to who and what influences your mindset. If you're surrounded by negativity, it's time to create boundaries or seek out relationships that inspire growth and positivity. Spend time with people who believe in your potential and motivate you to go after your dreams. It's not just about people, though. High vibration habits, like listening to uplifting music, reading books that expand your mind, or spending time in nature, can also shift your energy. Even the content you consume matters. Are you feeding your mind with positive, empowering messages, or filling it with fear and doubt? The more you align your surroundings with what you want to attract, the stronger your energy becomes. Remember, high vibrations attract high vibration outcomes. Elevate your energy, and you'll elevate your life. One of the hardest but most important steps in manifesting your desires is learning to trust the process. When you set your intentions and take inspired action, it's natural to want instant results, but impatience and doubt can block what you're trying to attract. Manifestation works on divine timing, not your timeline, and the key is to let go of the need to control how and when things happen. Trusting the process means knowing, deep down, that what you've asked for is already on its way, even if you can't see the results yet. Think of it like planting a seed. When you plant it, you don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You water it, give it sunlight, and trust that nature is doing its job. Manifestation is no different. Once you've set your intention and aligned your energy, your role is to stay consistent, remain open, and let the universe work behind the scenes. Doubt is like digging up that seed. It disrupts the process and delays growth. When you feel anxious or start to question whether it's working, remind yourself of this. The universe is always working for you, not against you. Trusting the process doesn't mean doing nothing. It means showing up every day with faith and continuing to align your actions and energy with your desires. Surrender the how and focus on what you can control: your mindset, your emotions, and your belief. When you truly trust the process, you create the space for miracles to happen. Trusting the process is more than just a tip. It's a true test of faith in the power of the universe and in yourself. Many times, people give up halfway because they cannot see immediate results. They begin to doubt, question, and, without realizing it, sabotage all the progress they have already made. But here's the truth. What you want is already on the way. It may not be visible now, but the wheels of the universe are moving in your favor. Your only task is to stay aligned, keep acting, and, above all, trust. Think about how many times you've planted a seed and looked forward to seeing it grow the next day. You didn't dig the soil to check if it was germinating, right? You simply trusted that with the right care it would grow. Life works the same way. If you keep watering your desires with positive thoughts, aligned emotions, and consistent actions, the result is inevitable. But to do this, you need to abandon the rush, fear, and doubt. Now, I want you to reflect. What is really stopping you from trusting the process? Is it fear of failure? Is it the belief that you don't deserve it? Or is it the rush to see results? Write in the comments, because identifying these barriers is the first step to overcoming them. What's more, share what you're going to do today to start trusting the journey more. Remember, manifestation is a dance between you and the universe. The more you trust and flow, the faster the results appear. So, like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to the channel. What you want is closer than you think. You have already planted the seed. Now is the time to trust that the harvest is guaranteed. The universe is waiting for your sim. What will you do with this opportunity?